Now, the signs of having issue with your septic is if there is a pool of water around the drain field, then you know there is issue with your septic because the water is not draining into the septic. And that's one thing. If you are flushing your toilet and it's slow in flushing down, you have issue with the septic, or it's just a buildup, so you want to take a look at it. If your toilet is growling, like when you flush you hear that gurgle sound, I'm sure you heard it before, then you know there's something going, or there is a buildup in your septic or in your pipelines. You just have to take a look at it and see how you can resolve that. And so this is my first time going through this, so I don't know, I'm just doing research to see how can I prevent this in future from happening. Now after this, we will see how this is going to work, if it's gonna breaks down all the fat and everything that breaks everything down in the septic to start making the buildup to go. But if that doesn't happen, I was told that then that's going to involve a lot of expense to get a new septic, which we are not looking forward to that. So I hope this will fix it. And that's all I want to share with you today. I hope this helps you as well. This is one of the things for women like us. If you have no idea, you don't know what to do. So I want to share this with you on this channel. All women's, to know something about your toilet. If there is issue, how you can resolve it, so you don't end up spending so much money calling somebody to just come and tell you, oh, why don't you just go and buy this, pour in and it will work, and they charge you for nothing. So this is what I just want to share with you. I hope this helps you, and if it does, subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. As always, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you on my next one. I will update you on this if something else changes. So please stay healthy, stay blessed, take care.